Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. A little different lighting, I don't know if you guys could tell. I just got some new bar stools right here. I want to give a little spin for this video. And hopefully we'll remember it this time. Boys, we're over, man. We used the bar real nice. Alright, boys, so if you guys want to give a huge thumbs up, comment down below. I ask you every video. I beg for it. Actually, the first 10 seconds usually, which sucks. But, you know, YouTube's been not too good to the kid lately. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's like a nervous laugh. Yeah, everyone's on summer break and stuff right now, but things have not been sending. I have a couple other accounts where I actually subscribe to people, and I keep that separate from this one. And those never get notifications, nor do they ever get like notified of my videos. So if you guys want to really help, just give a thumbs up, comment down below. That helps with the sharing of my channel. And more importantly, you know, I get to entertain more people if people see the videos. So thank you guys so much. Also, man, surprise, surprise, this is crazy. This video is not sponsored, so we're gonna sponsor it ourselves with our website, NameBranFam.com. There's a link down below, boys. What do we sell? Fake jewelry. It looks like this, but it's fake. The reason it's fake is because I can give it to you guys for like a cheap price, which is free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. So it's not free, but it's kind of like, it's a little marketing strategy. Anyway, guys, you can find a bunch of cool stuff on there. I usually put a picture of some stuff on the screen you guys have been really digging, but I'm also going to try this new strategy of not even showing you guys what the website looks like. Just, you got to click the link down below, and if you guys want to click and buy something, it'd be awesome, man. You can also add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 on NameBranFam.com. So don't add one thing, you're going to miss out a little bit. Once again, it'll make me a little more money, but you guys are going to be more satisfied if you add 2 things. NameBranFam.com. Thank you to the god who created that for sponsoring this video. Did you just call yourself a god? Yes. I could say that. Y'all just know it's a joke already because I'm an absolute moron. Alright, man, let's get into this video. I'm real stoked. It's not often that we're able to actually do like real jewelry unboxings. I try as much as I can, and we're gonna do a lot more in the future. I actually have a couple pieces coming in soon that I'm getting custom made for real jewelry unboxings. Anyway, it's real fun when we can do these because it costs a little money, and also we can add this to my setup. As you guys know, this is my setup right now. It's what we call it. It's kind of my start off to getting some real cool jewelry stuff. We got the watch, da-da-da-da-da, blah, blah, blah. Now we got something else that I'm real stoked for. I'm not gonna lie, boys, this might be my favorite piece now. Obviously just because it's new, but it's probably my favorite piece now. So we actually have it right here, boys. This isn't really an unboxing. This is something that I've already purchased. Now, about like 2-minute car ride away from me, there's this like little local jewelry store that I always go to repair my watches or get things sized or cleaned or whatever. And there's just really like sweet old man there. Like, I just usually just go in to chat him up. You know, I try to support his local business. I was in there the other day getting my watch fixed, and I found a ring that is real. We're gonna add it to our setup. Like, I loved it right away. I've been looking for a ring like this for a long time. I'm really OCD, which is super weird because usually people who don't give a hell about anything aren't usually OCD. But I am about like patterns and stuff like that. It's weird. I'm on the spectrum for sure. Anyway, I've been really like looking at my ring setup or whatever lately. This looks pretty filled up. This one doesn't. I felt like I've been missing something for here for a long time. I just haven't found the right piece. As you guys can see, what I have right now is the diamond star rings. We got the NameBran custom ring right there. I've really been looking for something like kind of just like more low-key for like around this region, preferably this finger right here. I went in the shop the other day, once again chatting them up a little bit, and I saw this ring that I had to purchase. And I'm not trying to sound baller here, like I didn't even ask the price. I just said I'll get that. You know, I want to support his local shop, and I was assuming it wasn't going to be too much anyway. So we got it. Now, I haven't seen this thing since I bought it a few days ago because I kind of like to be like surprised, just like you guys probably like to see people surprised on video. I think it's like more fun for the audience. So I haven't even tried this thing on. I made sure it was the size that I wanted, and I saw it in the glass, got him to put it in this box. I put it up in my cupboard, and I'm taking it out now to film. I want to kind of like, I don't even really remember what it looks like to a certain extent. So now I'm re-excited. I think that's fun for the video. Without further ado, boys, NameBran just got a new piece.
That's the new piece?
Thank you so much, you idiot. Best clip ever. Alright, so sorry for all the talking, just wanted to give you, you know, background on this. Let's get into it, man. Like I say, I've seen it. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I am, because it's like knowing what you're gonna get for Christmas, seeing it online, and then like having to wait like a few days to get it when you're a kid. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it, boys. We have, yeah, no, it opens this way. I always frick that up. Blow. Idiot! Blow. There we go. This thing's nice, man. So what it is gold and diamonds, or yellow gold. Sorry, you guys know I like my yellow gold. I've already told you guys before I like the yellow gold because I want, this is so honest, I want people to know that it's gold and not silver. Sometimes you get white gold and people that don't know what white gold looks like, it looks like silver. I want you to know and I want to get my money out of it. So what we have here, boys, is this right here. My first ring that actually goes all around with the diamonds, bro. All around. This thing's very cool, in my opinion. It's very low-key, kind of like what I wanted, and it's something that I'm really stoked for my setup. It definitely costs, you know, a little bit of money. Nothing crazy, not a grand or anything. Maybe we'll do a shine test on this. Everyone always asks and I always forget. We'll do that, we'll do that. It's almost like, it's not Gucci link. I don't know what link this is. God, somebody went on my Instagram today. They're like, man, you're pissing off a lot of people in the community of jewelry because you don't know what you're talking about, leave it up to us. Man, I'm like, first off, I never claimed to know what I'm talking about. Sorry, quick rant, because it was the worst thing to wake up to, and I just don't like that, especially on my Instagram. Like, YouTube's fine, but my Instagram's like personal. I just like try not to have like too much negativity on there. He's like, yeah, leave it up to us. Like, you're making us look that. First off, I don't claim that I know what I'm talking about. You guys know that 100%. I also, I try to just entertain people. My main goal is not to get the coolest jewelry. It's to show you some cool stuff, but my main goal is to entertain. That's why I say, like, when my videos aren't getting shared, it's not necessarily the money. As long as I'm living comfortably, I'm fine. I've kind of been raised that way. But the more people I entertain, I feel like that's like the job, like that means you're doing a good job. You know what I mean? And that's what I really look for. So I don't know what he was saying. Anyway, what got me into that? What got me into that? Quick rant. I'm bad. I just don't like it. And also, if I'm pissing people off, my bad. My goal is not to piss people off. If my goal is to piss people off, I just go and piss people off on purpose. You know what I mean? Like out in public. I don't do that. I like to make friends. That's it. Anyway, jeez, man. Then he told me to step on a grenade, which was kind of funny, but like waking up on a Monday morning, it's not like maybe the funnest thing to read because it makes you feel a little crappy. But anyway, sorry. Here's the ring, boys. You guys let me know what you think. It's real small. It's kind of our smallest piece yet in terms of rings for sure, but here's kind of how I wanted it. It's just now it like makes my OCD a little better. You know what I mean? It's like this makes more sense than just having one here that was messing me up, bro, which is so first world problems. How dare I not have a diamond ring for the figure that I want it for? Sorry, I'm a little bucked up on coffee right now, but anyway, yeah, there she is. You guys let me know what you think. Quick little review of this, and also I don't know the name of that shop that I go to because it's right by me. I wish I knew it so I could give him a shout out. Sweetest guy ever. I'll definitely shout him out in another video. But let's do a shine test of this thing real quick, boys. Alright, boys, so here's like kind of like a cheating shine test, I'd call it, because generally I feel like if you have like really nice diamonds, you don't need to turn off a damn light to make it work and to make it look good. Should be doing it on my phone. Like that. I don't know. This is not going well. Like that one looks real nice. This one, oh, come on, bro. Right there. Is that a shine test? I don't know, man. I was about to do this on my like regular phone, but it takes forever for it to actually like transport through Google Drive. If I do it too long, I just drop the gum on my phone. Anyway, there's your shine test. Hopefully it looked good. I gotta look at this. I'm gonna be pissed off, but whatever. Anyway, boys, there's our quick unboxing. You know, I was really stoked to have this thing, and hopefully you guys enjoy the real jewelry reviews, because they're definitely the ones, obviously, I look most forward to, because, you know, I get real jewelry, but I feel like you guys might dig them more. So leave a comment down below if you've watched to this point, and also do want to see more real jewelry reviews, because they definitely like cost a little bit of money, but I think they're worth it. So there we go. You guys let me know what you think about the piece. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Man, it's Monday if you're watching the day that I uploaded, and God, does everyone hate that day. I don't, because I'm a YouTuber. Good job, right? No, just kidding. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Birthday Game Great. It's fall time, y'all, the goats. What else do I have to say? I just feel like talking right now. Oh, nothing. All right, bye.